Hello, I'm Joshua. I'm the chef of the Belgium Embassy to the Ambassador Mission. I'm gonna show you today how to make chicken Waterzooi. I've boiled the chicken thigh and the drums. The drumstick I already French, so it just looks nicer. And I shred the thigh. And for the boiling, I boiled it with regular water and some vegetables. The same here that you can see that we're gonna make for the Waterzooi later, and I keep the stock. Other than that, we use truffle oil for garnish, cream, shallots, onions, egg yolks to make the right consistency for the sauce, and boiled potatoes. First, we're gonna heat up some butter. When the butter starts to melt and doesn't bubble anymore, that's when you know that the butter is already hot, and that's when you can put on the chicken along with the baby potatoes. And now onto the next pan, I'm gonna saute the mushroom for the sauce. And now that the chicken already cooked, has some beautiful color to it, just put it in the oven. And now I'm gonna pour more of our hot chicken stock, to a smaller pan, just to heat the shredded chicken because we're almost ready to serve. It's time for us to add the cream. Now we're gonna first temper the egg yolk so it wouldn't scramble when it got in. Don't forget to turn off the heat. Take some of your cream sauce, mix it well with the egg yolk, and put it back to the sauce. So this is my version of chicken Waterzooi. Hope you enjoy it.